Hello all, this is Silver Helm Coins and Collectibles. Today we'll be doing another What Is It Worth? Today we have a 1937 sixpence from Southern Rhodesia. So let's have a look at this coin. Let's dive into it and see what is its value. Firstly, I'd like to state this is a small coin, it's not that large. 1937 sixpence, so it is pre-decimal system, and it was the first year of George VI's reign as king. So that's just a fairly interesting fact I came across as I was searching for these or researching this coin. So let's dive into it. The total weight of this coin is 2.83 grams. Uh, it, it is a small coin, but the kicker is 92.5% sterling silver. This is a lot, so it's a silver heavy piece. If you go look at the actual silver weight of this coin, it's 2.62 grams or 0.0842 troy ounces of silver. But as we'll come to see later in the video, this coin has more collector value than it has melt value alone. Just some things about this coin. There was 823,000 minted, so that was designed for general circulation. This one's great if I would have to look at it, and you guys can tell me if my grading is a bit off, but I'd say it is fine to very fine. You can see all the details. It doesn't look too damaged. Yes, I'd have to say fine to very fine. So since these were made for general circulation, I'd say this is a good find. It's in good grade. So on my research, I did see they minted about 111 proof coins, but those are not generally found. This one has been in general circulation. So let's delve into the values. What is this coin actually worth? So as stated, it has some collector value, as it was the first year of King George VI's reign as monarch. And as we all know, Southern Rhodesia was a part of the British Empire. So this is an old coin with some interesting history. So if we look at the melt value, that is the value you'll get if you purely sell it just for the silver. Since it is a heavy silver coin, on today's spot price of silver, I calculated it to be $6 to $7. So $6 to $7 for this tiny, if it were just purely silver based. That's what's known as the melt value. But this is where it gets interesting. With my research, I actually found that because it is fine to very fine grade, the collector premium on this does make it a bit more valuable than the melt value alone. So fine to very fine, such as this coin, realistically you can retail it for $12 to $18. So that's not crazy numbers, but it is more than the silver is worth. So if you keep this coin as a silver stacking, it is worth it. But where I'd say you would really benefit from this coin is if you keep it as a collector's piece, because as time progresses, this will become more and more valuable. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you like coin content, if you like stamp content, go ahead and follow and subscribe. Consider joining the waitlist to the eBay store, where I will have these and plenty more coins up for sale. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.